Hello, welcome to Testenium. Testenium is a UK-based company which operates a meta-computing platform, which means whenever we provide metadata to any task, it will convert that metadata into programming language code. So, which Testenium supports test automation and encrypted database application development. So in this particular screen, you can see from API testing, BDD, database testing, load testing, protracted testing, Selenium test automation, Vinium for Windows application testing, white box testing for code coverage, security testing to find out the vulnerabilities like SQL injection and so on, and TDD for integration testing and unit testing, and page object model POM in order to provide metadata to build the page objects. We choose that. So in this particular session, I'm going to choose the page object model. So here you will be able to see the past test cases under the page object model, and below we have a new project template, so where I'll provide the data for the relevant testing. So I'll give test 4 links in the cworm.co.uk, one of our website, and we have to choose the or change the cworm.co.uk URL. Then on the right hand side, you can see the test language Java. So I'm going to choose Selenium WebDriver. We can also select a remote WebDriver. The Selenium testing platform provides a great environment for remote WebDriver as well. And here we have a page object model for single page or multiple page. I choose page object model option for the multiple page. Then web browser for I'm choosing Chrome. And also Testenium provides 2 databases for every user so that they can put the test data, but it is in this particular test I'm not choosing any database at all. So below we can see there's a page object builder. So for this particular website, I'm going to test a few pages, but I'm going to select only 2 pages in order to save time. So every time when you build a page object model, it will start with page 0, the first sheet, page number 0. So now I'll copy some data from the Excel file for the first page, which is about us page. So I'll choose one element which has XPath locator. So we'll choose XPath here and put the element here, and we choose click event for that, and the next element. So then I'll put the CSS selector with this particular CSS syntax. I'll put CSS select and also select the CSS select option in the locator, and that is also a click event. Then the next item below that is input type text box. We enter some data, so that is a name locator. We'll choose name locator and type this. Select the element and type. Select the type function and type some data. Next element, like that you can add as many as elements in the first page. Now I'm going to the next page. The second page consists of an XPath locator to locate. So XPath, we'll select the XPath locator in the next page. So we'll go to next page. So now you can see the page number 1. So we'll select XPath and put the XPath, and that is a mouse over event on a menu. So I'll choose mouse over. Then next element, now we'll put the next element, which is a menu item which we have to click, that is located by link text. So I'll choose the link text here and place that element and click. So like that we can keep add many elements in the page. So as many as page. You can also click the next page to go as many as pages. For every page you can provide the relevant elements locator and the functions that you want to perform. Now below you can see there's a generate code button. So because I selected Java, so now it's going to generate the code in Java in a few minutes. So now you can see the codes have been created within a few milliseconds, not even a second. so including the home page and the test code. So you can see there are 4 sets of code generated for 2 pages. So it created home page in addition to that 2 pages, and also integrated all the test code in the test window here. So you can see this is JUnit structure. In the test method, you have a few lines of code here. It also records videos automatically. Then home page constructor, then page 0 and the elements, then page 1 constructor and the elements. Now we'll execute the test. When I click this execute test button, the test is performed in the server. So if I switch to the server, now you can see the test is going to be executed. Now it's loading the Chrome and putting the URL. Now it's going to click the About Us menu on the top, and then contact us in the bottom left, and thereafter it's going to type John in the first text box which I selected, your name text box. Thereafter it's going to go to the second menu, mouse over and click the FinTech support, and then it's going to finish. So now the test has been completed. Now it's getting the report. The top row in this particular table is the test that we just executed, that successfully completed and passed. Below you can see the report including the video and screenshots. So like that we can perform any number of pages on a particular website for testing without writing any piece of code. This is a very simple way of doing it, and this is the most innovative programming tool in the world. You can see simply we provide the metadata, and we don't have to give any coding at all. It will generate all the code and execute the test. Now I'll also show you how we can edit that particular test. So if you go to POM, it will show you that the project details that you just been testing. You can go and click the edit button here. So it will show you the elements for the given 2 pages. So the first page is noted as 0 here. You can see first page 0 of pages 0 to 1. So the first page I have given these 3 elements. Now you can see you can go and edit and save it. And also you can click the next button to go to the next page. In that second page I have given 2 elements only. Like that you can go and edit as many as pages if you have created many pages. And also Testenium has accelerated massive parallel testing concept, which enable the user to select a number of pages, and you can build them concurrently. Also, if you don't select the check boxes and if you click the button, it will run all of our projects at the same time in the cloud server. Again, like that, it will support as many as users to run their projects in parallel. So that is a short demo of Page Object Model in Testenium. Thank you for watching this video.